So the glasses themselves actually have really, really good clarity. Like the lenses, they're good.
What's going on, everybody? Jay Hayes here. So today I'm actually going to be going over a set of glasses, and the reason why I'm going over these is actually pretty fairly simple. I've been accustomed to, these gadgets and gizmos that they show online, and they're like, we got these new glasses, and they're going to do really good, and they're going to record, and no one's going to notice them. I know what you're probably saying is, why would you get those glasses? Well, just because, just like everybody else, I'm interested in as to how good they're going to be. Yeah, I'm not out there spying on nobody or trying to get intel from a different country, but why not, right? I went so far as I got the Orca 4Ks. I haven't done the video on them. Obviously, I got this, which is like it's not a no-name brand, but it's more expensive. I got the Ray-Bans when they originally launched. Now, keep in mind that I opened this up when I first got it, but I have not used this at all. I guess I opened it up to look at it to see how inconspicuous the cameras were. Anyway, I'm gonna put these on. We're gonna try it on. I'm gonna bring it down, show you everything that's inside of it. Keep in mind that all I have is just this, which is the charging case and the actual camera. I know it's a little bit old, and you're probably like, why are you doing this on this channel? Because look, vapes. I don't know what else to review. Like, I'm not gonna keep buying $500 vapes. At least buy something that I may have fun with, right? All the vapes I kind of already have all the stuff that I want. So let me bring it down, show you what's in the package. Again, it is going to be missing some stuff because I don't know where the original box went. So this is the packaging for the Ray-Ban Jammy. It's very simple, right? It's just like leather. Open it up, and then there's your glasses. There's the cameras right there. No matter what, if someone is far enough away or at an angle, you're not really going to see them. But then again, how many times do you often look at somebody's face and then look at the cameras on their glasses? Oh, you see that lighting up? So that thing, something's going on. So we'll take that out. Now, the case itself is a charging case. There's these little tiny contacts. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's these little tiny contacts right there that kind of make contact with the charging case and then charge it. And it is a USB-C, right? So there's basically a battery built into this. This will store some power. How much, I don't know. But let's just take a look at the glasses. So now, again, I'm sure I took them out, but I've never used it. Ray-Ban logo on the side. These are authentic Ray-Ban glasses. Always love that little install update there. Record videos. Press once to record a 30-second video. Press again to stop recording. Okay, so 30 seconds, not terrible. So it actually can record. The capture LED, of course. Signal the other when you take a photo or video. So much for being hidden, right? So even a black marker would not work. And there it goes again. Use your voice. Okay. You have to say Facebook and then that. Okay, so touching the side of the bar will allow you to play music. So let's see if that works. So if we just... Okay, so that works. Adjust the volumes. Wow. Okay, that is pretty cool. It allows you to swipe to adjust it. Bluetooth, nice. Wow. So white, green, orange, and red. So I am pressing it on the side, and as you can see, as I am doing this live, it is trying to import the actual video. So once we click on something and we have it, it allows you to save it, share it, and then the share, we're gonna test this out. We're gonna bring this. This is taking forever to import. There is no quicker way to do this aside from just, well, taking a picture of it or taking a video and then it actually importing. So it's not a super fast connection. As you can see, the little bit of time that I did use it, that's all real time, and we've already drained down to 4%, right? Find your favorites. So once you have it, so there you go. There's the little bit of the video there. That's the display of what I'm using now, what I'm looking at. And the pictures, what did it say? Press and hold. after bringing them outside and playing music, I could tell. Now, I've only used it, so you can see here, it is now 2:11. So since I essentially signed off and brought them downstairs and did the clips, it's been that long, right? So I played a little bit of music. Now, the audio quality, I will tell you, you have no bass, right? Obviously. I mean, you do have good audio, though. So we're just going to go back over here. We're going to go over to Facebook View, and we're going to pull these up. It shows that there are 12. So we cannot, there we go. It's going to import. And you see we're at 77%. So the battery life is not going to be fantastic. I'll give you my final thoughts and bring it back on top. Let's see how long those 12 clips, that is a hand. I know. Now that's Bree there. She's on the toilet using that. We're going to see how that audio is, how those videos are. So as far as low light is concerned, it's not very, very good, right? Like obviously my house is black, and you'll see that certain lights do in fact look a little bit, it is extremely pixelated. Now inside of the app, it doesn't look as bad as what it does. However, I feel like once we go outside,
So the glasses themselves actually have really, really good clarity. Like the lenses, they're good. So just looking at movement, picking up audio as we walk around, we take a look at things.